It's time for the culminating experience of Unit 5. Students have been working on their trash diary and action plan all unit long, and we introduced them to the waste poster project back in 5.13. Now it's time to revisit the unit roadmap to see how everything fits together. Then we set the students to work for 2 lessons on their posters. Now remember that their posters have 4 parts. They describe their action plan, including what they did, how well it worked, and how they measured their success. Then they provide quantitative data in the form of graphs of their trash diary data. They also have 2 more general portions here where they're talking about the Earth science connection. How does pollution move through Earth's system as part of the water cycle? Now, they need to have some specific examples and perhaps a diagram to help illustrate that. And then the human connection. How does that waste get back into our bodies? And how does reducing the waste and pollution help our body system? They should be thinking both from the scale down to individual cells up through organ systems and our whole body system. And again, specific examples. Now, you're probably going to want to check out the rubric, which is attached to Lesson 5.34, and show it to your students. Once the teams are ready, it's time for them to share out and present their results. We wrap up the unit with the question, what did we learn? So we have a unit assessment and time for reflection. Are students really seeing the connection where the trash that we give off ends up in the water cycle and moves around until sometimes it ends up back in our bodies where it can affect us? And congratulations, you and the students have made it all the way through the end of Unit 5, and now, next up, Unit 6.